हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम अगेन। हाउ टू लर्न स्पोकन इंग्लिश में आप सभी दोस्तों का एक बार फिर स्वागत। ओके फ्रेंड्स, यू आर द स्टूडेंट्स and it's enough for me to know that you are the students. In which class are you studying or what's the course you are doing, it doesn't matter. I want to congratulate you on taking a right decision by your family that you are getting an education. I know, according to your interest and ability, you have chosen your subject and course and trying to make your career. Okay? Friends, before I start of telling you something about your problem, I want to tell you that every turn in your educational life may turn into a big problem if you don't take a right decision in time. But friends, I think taking a right decision in time is possible only when you can imagine an upcoming problem and its shape and size. If you take everything lightly, it may lead you to a big problem. I don't want to say that you should always make a mountain of a molehill, but I mean to say neither you should neglect a situation nor keep on unnecessary bothering. I think a little knowledge of human psychology can help you to understand the situation. Friends, I want to tell you a story. Once a young man was sent on a business trip for the first time. His father instructed him well and told everything sentence by sentence, that what he might be asked and how he would reply to them. The old man, according to his experience, told his young son almost all the points the other traitors might ask. And the young man kept all in his mind. But unfortunately, when he reached the marketplace, he found himself in a situation a little changed. And the questions asked by the traders were totally different. So the young man found himself helpless, and remembering his father, he cried out. Friends, you can understand easily what the story tells us. It is impossible that the situation a young man is facing are exactly same to the situations an old man has faced at his time. So I would like to say, to learn a particular situation with somebody in a manner the young man in the story was taught is useless. But besides your subject, you should learn a little about the human mind and how does it work. Friends, not only you should keep in your mind few words and sentences, but also know about the psychological effect on both sides in a particular situation. And what you have to know is what can be done in a kind of situation, what kind of questions you can ask, and what kind of answers you can give. It is the study of human psychology which tells you that what should you do and what not. Should you speak or be silent? Friends, human psychology introduces you to the ways through which you can understand the customs and traditions of your old college and save yourself from many difficulties you have to face.